a $100 shopping spree. Hello everyone! We are so excited about our March focus here at Sophie and Trey. We're doing closet makeovers.
Here at Sophie and Trey, our mission statement is to empower women to be the best version of themselves through positive mental attitude and affordable fashion at everyday prices.
Everyday low prices, you guys. We have a 4-step, super easy process for all of you guys to do this month. And what's really exciting about what we're doing is we're having a contest! Contest!
Woo!
Go through the 4 steps to clean out your closet, because we are all about getting a closet makeover this March. Go through, get your closet cleaned up in perfect order, take a picture of yourself in front of your newly organized, amazing closet, and then go ahead and put that picture on social media, hashtag Sophie and Trey. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you will be entered to win a $100 shopping spree. Let's start with step 1. Get all the clothes out of your closet and clean your closet. You need to vacuum all those corners. You need to wipe down like all your shelving. Okay, I've got a really awesome hint that a lot of people don't know. If you wax, just regular wax paper that you get from the grocery store, you wax your bars, just like go like this. It sounds crazy. Your hangers will slide like butter, and you will just love shopping in your closet as much as you love shopping at Sophie and Trey.
So not crazy. Get that wax paper, wax the bars, clean those baseboards, clean those shelves, and get the base of your closet ready for your wardrobe to enter back in and be organized. Step 2 is make a donation pile. So now you have all of your items on your bed, and now you are ready to take each item out one by one and decide if it goes to donation pile or if it goes back into your clean closet.
Most people wear only 30% of their closet.
So, the 3 questions to ask. Have I worn this item in the last year? Would I buy it again today? And the 3rd question to see if it makes the cut is, does it have sentimental value? If it does not have sentimental value and it does not cut the criteria of the other 2 questions, it goes into a donation pile. Once you go through all of your items and you have your donation pile, this is huge. Do not leave your donation pile available for you to pull from, because if you do, you will find yourself going back and getting those items back out and putting them back in your closet.
Step 3 is make a plan and stick to it. So first things first, you have to separate everything by a category. So as you see here, we have jeans, and then we have workout pants. Here I have jackets, tanks, skirts. You have to put them with
the same category. So keep it all categorized. That way if you're going out and you need a dress, you have a dress section. So the first thing when you're putting things back in your closet, categorize your items by rompers, dresses, jeans, workout pants, casual tops,
and you can go further too. There's so many different ways. That's why we say make it your own plan and stick to it. And once you get them in your designated categories, color coordinate. It just makes your closet look more inviting. You'll be excited to get in there and shop those items. Now, once you've decided on the categories, you also decide if you're going to hang or fold things. So in this situation, we have a good amount of hanging space. So like we hung workout pants. You want to hang as much as possible, especially when it comes to tops, because the more you can see things, the more likely you are to wear them.
Now you're going to move to step 4, which is the top 10 must-have items in your closet.
These are all really versatile pieces that you should be able to wear like 10 to 15 ways easily in your closet. Like no question, you should be able to make 10, 15 outfits out of all of these pieces. So putting them all together in your closet, making sure you have all 10 of these, will change your world.
A little black dress, a tailored blazer, a leather jacket,
or a vegan leather jacket,
a white button-up shirt, your white v-neck t-shirt, a black jean or trouser, dark wash skinny jean, a white skinny jean, a nude heel or a nude flat. The last item is a denim shirt.
So you guys, go through what we just said, the 4 steps to clean out your closet, because we are all about getting a closet makeover this March. Go through, get your closet cleaned up in perfect order, take a picture of yourself in front of your newly organized, amazing closet, and then go ahead and put that picture on social media, hashtag Sophie and Trey. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you will be entered to win a $100 shopping spree. Bye guys. Have fun cleaning your closet out.
Yes.